computer system. We are going to learn about computer system. Caps lock key. In this picture, you can see the key. This key is caps lock key. This key is used for typing the letters in a capital or uppercase letters. When caps lock key is on, you can see light on the right hand side of the keyboard. So, when you type a letter, then it will appear in a capital or uppercase. For example, if you type memory, it will appear on the screen as memory when the caps lock key is on. Shift key. This is a shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is on the left side of keyboard and the other is on the right side of the alphabet keys. Remember, shift key is used with the combination with other keys. For example, if you press shift key with number keys, you will get the symbols written above numbers. For example, if there is a number 2 key on a keyboard, if you press the number 2 key, then you will get the number 2 only. But if you press the shift key with number 2 key, then you will get the @ symbol. Spacebar key. The longest key you see on the keyboard is the spacebar key. You can see this is a spacebar key in these pictures. It is used to put blank space between the words. Cursor control keys. You can see there is a cursor on the Windows side and there are 4 cursor control keys on the right side picture. The arrow keys on the keyboard are called cursor control keys. First, you should know what is a cursor. A cursor is a eye-shaped mark which always blinks on the computer screen. When you are typing, it indicates where the text character will appear. These cursor keys are used to move the cursor in the direction. 4 cursor keys are there on the keyboard for different directions: up, down, left and right. If you press any cursor key, the cursor will move in the same direction. Enter key. These are the enter keys on the different keyboards. When you finish typing a sentence, then enter key is used to take cursor to the next line. When we are typing any sentence, then you enter the key. Then cursor will go to next line automatically. Delete key. These are the delete keys. Delete key is used to erase your mistakes that you make while typing on the computer. It erases the character to the right of the cursor. If you typing the sentence, then delete key erases only the character which is right side of the cursor. Backspace key. These are the different backspace keys. It has an arrow printed on it. Suppose when you are typing on the computer and you have typed a wrong letter or a left a letter, then you can use the backspace key. It erases the character to the left of the cursor. The difference between backspace key and delete key is delete key erases only the right side of the character of the cursor and backspace key erases the left side character of the cursor. Mouse. Mouse is an input device of a computer. A mouse has two buttons and a wheel in the center. It is also a pointing device. A long wire connects mouse and system cabinet. Mouse is used to draw pictures and select objects and text on a computer. Mouse has two buttons, right button and left button, and scroll wheel in between that two buttons, and it has a wire which is connected to the system cabinet. Mouse clicking. Single click. When you press left mouse button once and release, then it is called single click. Right click. When you press right mouse button once and release, then it is called right click. Double click. When you press left mouse button twice very quickly and release, then it is a double click. Drag and drop. When you want to move the object from one position to the another, on the monitor, then drag and drop is used. Dragging means to hold the mouse text or image by pressing the left mouse button and moving the mouse to the different position while holding the pressed button. Do not release the button until the text is moved to its final position. Dropping means to release the mouse button at the desired location. What we learned: caps lock key, shift key, spacebar key, cursor control keys, enter key and delete key. backspace key and mouse. Thank you. Please Fun and Learn by Charvi. Subscribe, like and share.